Hello everyone, and welcome back to your daily tech briefing. It is January 20th, 2026, and the last 24 hours have been incredibly busy for the software world. From massive AI-driven acquisitions to a complete shift in how we think about e-commerce, we have a lot to cover. I'm your host, and this is the state of the industry today. We start with the big moves in the market. ClickHouse, the leader in real-time data warehousing, has officially acquired Langfuse. This is a strategic play to own the AI feedback loop, allowing developers to monitor and optimize AI models directly within their data infrastructure. Meanwhile, Israeli battery pioneer Storda is finalizing an $800 million SPAC merger. They'll be hitting the Nasdaq under the name XFC Battery. And in the web development world, the Astro framework team has merged into Cloudflare. This signals a future where front-end frameworks and edge computing are no longer separate entities. They are one and the same. However, the industry is also facing some tough transitions. Ericsson has announced a reduction of 1,600 positions in Sweden as they tightened their belt globally. We're also seeing a trend analysts are calling the SaaS squeeze. Companies like Salesforce and IBM are noting that traditional support roles are being rapidly replaced by Agentic AI. It's not just about cutting costs anymore. It's about right-sizing for an era where AI agents handle the bulk of enterprise workflows. On the product front, Apple has launched Creator Studio. It's a unified subscription that bundles Final Cut, Logic, and Pixelmator with a new magnetic mask tool for effortless object tracking. In the industrial sector, PTC launched Codebeamer AI to help aerospace and medtech firms manage software development under strict regulations. We also saw Plano launch a fascinating platform in the UAE. It uses geospatial AI and satellite imagery to identify which rooftops are perfect for solar projects, turning environmental data into a subscription service. One of the most significant updates today is the launch of the Universal Commerce Protocol, or UCP. Led by Google in collaboration with Shopify and Walmart, this open-source standard provides a common language for AI agents to shop and transact on your behalf. We are officially entering the age of agentic commerce, where your AI might buy your groceries before you even realize you're out. Financially, the numbers are staggering. OpenAI reported that their annualized revenue crossed $20 billion in 2025, tripling their compute and revenue year over year. Not to be outdone, Google reported that developer requests for Gemini have more than doubled in just 5 months. In India, the news was mixed. While LTIMindtree saw a 12% revenue increase, Wipro shares took a hit following a cautious outlook on the coming quarters. The theme of 2026 is clear. AI is no longer a feature. It is the infrastructure. Whether it's hardware from OpenAI and Jony or new protocols for shopping, the software world is being rewritten in real time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.